Hi, this is Jason Fritz, Product Manager with PlexusAV. We're here at ISE 2026 and we're in booth 5J700, and I'm here to introduce a new product to the PlexusAV portfolio, which is an IP speaker. Our IP speakers can take PoE or PoE Plus, and they are going to support both a Dante mode and IPMX mode with NMOS Discovery and AES-67 directly. These speakers will feature a DSP with 21 band EQ. It features an analog input that allows you to mix both the analog input and the IP input on the output of the speaker, and we also have a contact closure for relays where you can trigger a sound that's uploaded to memory. We have three form factors. We've got above me a pendant speaker which suspends from the ceiling, and then we also have a ceiling speaker and a surface speaker, which is more of the bookshelf style with a bracket that tilts. And these speakers also have a 6.5-inch woofer and a 1-inch tweeter that is physically directable, perfect for conference room, audio, and entertainment. Come check us out at booth 5J700. This is Jason.